DC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, good times to be a meteorologist, especially when the weather gets in the zone where people are nice and happy. We'll see how long that lasts because we might hit 90 degrees by Thursday and or Friday again ahead of our next front. We'll talk more about that in just a bit, but let's concentrate on the good stuff. Why not? Beautiful weather out there. You see those lines going from top to bottom. That's the wind direction, the wind particles showing our wind direction here, and it feels awfully good out there as temperatures continue to drop nicely. The breeze is out there, and we're going to see a few more clouds, but overall it's going to be a quiet night. Temperatures this afternoon touching 90 officially for the high, or shortly after 1 o'clock this afternoon, but watch how that front pushed through the area and temperatures have dropped nicely. 67 degrees in Lafayette at this hour, and it's not only the temperature but the dew point down to 61, so that feels good. Nice north breeze at 10, and the barometric pressure with the double R's there mean that it's rising rapidly, meaning high pressure building in behind this cool front, which is not good for fishing, but it's pretty good for hunting, and that's reflected in our hunting and fishing forecast. Nice breeze out there as well. Winds have been gusting as high as about 24, 25. This is model data right here, but feeling good across the area, and that it'll stay breezy overnight tonight through a good part of the mid-morning, midday tomorrow, and then the winds die down. We'll start off with partly cloudy skies or mostly cloudy skies, but we'll go mostly sunny by lunchtime. Temperatures in the low to mid 80s tomorrow afternoon with mostly sunny conditions. We head into Wednesday, starting off on the coolish side. Temperature still in the 60s, but here comes a warm front. We'll be back into the mid to upper 80s for Wednesday afternoon. Here's the long range. Taking a look at the long range model, the European model. We'll flash forward to 3 days from now. It's going to be around 80 degrees at 10 p.m. on Thursday, but notice this cold air. Temperatures in the teens, lower teens across portions of Wyoming, Colorado, up through Montana. Here comes the next front showing up nicely, arriving, it looks like, late Friday night, and then we get much cooler highs in the 70s Saturday night into Sunday morning. This is model data, so it's not the actual data that we go with generally, but it gives us a good idea. Temperatures in the 50s this weekend at night, so the next front is certainly going to be stronger. Temperatures tonight, though, feeling pretty good. Lower 60s, northern portions of Acadiana, ducking down into the upper 50s in Alexandria. Low to mid 60s I-10 corridor, and down along the coast, low to mid 60s as well. Our numbers coming in a little bit lower this evening due to the recent trend. So we start out low to mid 60s tomorrow morning, then tomorrow afternoon into the 80s, but comfortable humidity. Tomorrow night we squeeze out one more decent night. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s again. And then as we head into Wednesday afternoon, temperatures pushing the upper 80s, and we'll be near 90, we think, on Thursday and Friday, unfortunately. But that's the way it goes in the fall. Up and down temperatures, so cool in the near term, warming up. 60% chance of showers and storms, mainly we think Friday night. Saturday begins to clear out. Look at those temperatures this weekend. Highs in the 70s for festivals Acadiana, and overnight lows dipping down into the mid 50s for Sunday morning. And lo and behold, another front on the way next week, but we might squeeze in another 90-degree day a week down the road. So up and down temperatures, but we'll take 90s if we can get some 50s in on that 10-day
So let's
forecast.
talk about it. You told us a couple weeks ago, October 8th.
Yeah,
It
was a lucky guess. I was looking at long-range models.
What's the secret?
No, looking at long-range models, and it was sometime around the 7th, 8th, 9th, so I said October 8th. And you made me stick to it, though.
We did, yeah.
We were insistent.
And
put it out
and the
there.
model data supported. Sometimes it goes back and forth. You got to stay consistent with the forecast.
I had a
Truth
whole
in
story.
broadcasting, right?
I had a whole story ready to go, holding Rob Perillo accountable, but we'll save that for another day.
Got lucky this year.
Very good. Thanks, Rob.